Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to explain about my thesis called Exploring Empowerment and Equality, titled A Liberal Feminist Analysis of the Handmaid's Tale by Margaret Atwood. Let me introduce myself. My name is Annette Sofilda Cornelis from English Literature Study Program, Faculty of Law and Language from Stikupang University. There's background of my study. Literature is a form of human expression. It takes form like novel, and The Handmaid's Tale is a dystopian novel by Margaret Atwood. It portrays a totalitarian society where women's rights are restricted, reflecting on power dynamics and oppression. The research question of my thesis are: how are the theme of empowerment and equality portrayed in Margaret Atwood, The Handmaid's Tale, and to what extent do they resonate with liberal feminist principles? Second, what form of resistance and defiance shown by the female character in The Handmaid's Tale, and how do these actions contribute to challenging the patriarchal regime of Gilead? Third, how is the concept of equality manifested within the context of The Handmaid's Tale, with particular attention to general reproductive rights and intersections like factor, race, class, and sexuality? The research method that I use is qualitative resistance design, employing feminist literary analysis to explore Margaret Atwood, The Handmaid's Tale. It's used liberal feminism by Martha Nussbaum capability approach. It used both primary data from the novel and secondary source like critical essay and feminist theory to explore the theme of empowerment, equality, and resistance. The procedure is reading and systematically annotation of the primary text alongside with gathering relevant secondary materials. Research and discussion. The first is the red center indoctrination. This is the start of the subjugation of the handmaid into the Gilead control, revealing the stark power imbalance between the aunt and the handmaids. Second, overt secret relationship, a tool of rebellion. Overt relationship to commander started with scribble section. It challenged Gilead societal norm, and Nix also served as an act of empowerment. Third, the ceremony and reproductive right, a symbol of control. In Gilead, there's a monthly event called the ceremony. It shows how government control women's ability to have a baby. During this event, handmaids are required to have intercourse with the commander, obsessed by the wife. The character of Red said is kind of funny in a dark way. For the scalping, Gilead cruel punishment ceremony. The scalping is a horrible ceremony in Gilead where handmaids execute enemies of the state. It takes place in Harvard Yard. Required attendance for all women. Alfred grapple with moral conflict as he participates by symbolizing placing hand on a rope. It reflects on the regime manipulation of the crowd hysteria and on Lydia authoritative control. Fifth, the Mayday and the underground resistance, Gilead hidden foe. Alfred discovered Mayday, an underground network aiming to overthrow Gilead regime through Afghan and Nick. But while the Mayday existence challenged Gilead's facade of unity and suggests an attempt to create a better world, have worsened the situation. 6. Character analysis of empowerment and equality. Alfred and Lydia, Serena Joy Moira Jenin represent different aspects of resistance and agency within the Gilead oppressive regime. Handmaids and Martha navigate operation through various forms of resistance, highlighting the complexity within the Gilead structure. 7. Plot point and literary element in The Handmaid's Tale. The invitation at Red Center established Gilead operation and women's rights. Overt relationship reflect power dynamics, while Mayday brings hope of resistance. Lydia secret at complexity, and the scalping ceremony shows Gilead brutality. 8. Alignment with liberal feminism. The handmade style aligned with liberal feminism, emphasizing agency, autonomy, and equality. Overall resistance and pursuit of autonomy reflect liberal feminism ideas. However, Gilead's gender roles contradict liberal feminism, leading to tension between the enforcement and dismantling gender norms. 9. Form of resistance and defiance is in the handmade style. Form of resistance showcase character resilience against Gilead oppression. This example illustrates defiance at every level, challenging the regime control and emphasizing the human yearning for autonomy and freedom. 10. The concept of equality within the handmade style. Margaret Atwood effectively portrayed the absence of gender equality under Gilead oppressive regime through character experience like overt love of economic autonomy and the stark hierarchy between the handmaid, wife, and woman. Atwood showcased the systematic deprivation of women's rights. Overt transition from independent woman to handmaid highlight this change. Conclusion. In conclusion, Margaret Atwood explored the theme of empowerment and equality. The narrative began at Red Center indoctrination, marking the initiation of handmade subjugation. Characters such as Offred and Lydia Sorrento Moira and Janine showcase diverse response to empowerment and constraint, and illustrating the unwavering pursuit of equality. The diverse form of resistance employed by the female characters collectively challenge the patriarchal regime, exposing its fragility and highlighting individual resilience. Thank you very much for the attention.